Hello, everyone. So this is our Pan Asian Festival app. This is our way to make an app so that people can order delicious food efficiently while also increasing cultural engagement during the Pan Asian Festival. So this is our team. So what is the Pan Asian Festival? It's an annual event that attracts 1,000 plus attendees, where clubs, 9 Asian clubs at WPI collaborate, and they'll all serve free cultural food prepared both by students and external vendors. And they'll also hold performances such as an art fair, cultural activities, games, and a fashion show.
All right. So what is kind of the problem that we've identified here? It's basically that we estimate that roughly 50% of the time, the average participant at the Pan Asian Festival is sitting in line waiting for food. The reason for this is that a lot of the food is made to order, and it's also served by student volunteers who may not have a lot of experience in like serving food, taking orders, and like kind of organizing a streamlined system. So our application kind of aims to create this system so that participants will spend less time waiting in line and more time engaging with all the other cultural activities that are at the festival. So to kind of look into our solution a little bit more, our idea is that you can order on the app in order to keep your place in line digitally, so you don't have to actually physically wait there. You can go and do something else. The idea is that you'll then scan a QR code at the booth, place your order, and then kind of leave, and then you'll get a notification once your food is ready, so that you can then go pick it up. The benefit to this is then now you don't have to physically wait there. You can go and watch performances, attend a workshop, etc.
So as a participant, you'll be going to the vendor booth and you'll scan the QR code, and this will bring you up to the menu where you'll place your order and see what items are in stock. Then once your order comes out, you'll be notified and you'll be able to get your food.
On the vendor side of things, vendors will be able to look at the orders as they come into them, and they'll also be able to mark off any orders that they've completed as well, to let the participants know that their food is ready. Additionally, they'll be able to add food items to their menu and include things such as the English name of the food, the traditional name of the food, an image, the ingredients / things, allergies that people should be aware of, as well as a description and some cultural facts about the food so they learn more about the culture. Additionally, on our app, we have an additional page that describes what the Pan Asian Committee is and what the events are and what significance they hold to fostering cultural engagement at WPI. We also include images and descriptions of past events to let people know, to give them an idea about what we do exactly.
So as for our tech stack, we use Firebase, React, Flask, and Figma. Now, what is the impact of this application? 1, it decreases time spent waiting in line for food by keeping your spot digitally. 2, it increases the engagement with cultural activities, performances, showcases. 3, it creates a more streamlined process for vendors to process orders. 4, it finally educates participants on the cultural significance of the food items they are enjoying and the organizations that made this event possible. So finally, thank you guys so much for watching and considering our project.